Ever feel like your incredible product or service is lost in a sea of competitors despite your best marketing efforts? You're crafting campaigns, optimizing ads, but the market just isn't responding with the engagement and sales you expect. If this resonates, then understand this. The challenge isn't your product's value. It's often your brand's ability to cut through the noise and connect deeply. And I'm not talking about just a logo or a color palette. A brand that truly sells is a meticulously designed system for building unwavering trust and recognition. Today, we're providing a 3-step blueprint to empower you, the marketing professional, to build exactly that. This is your brand's strategic DNA, the foundational element for all your marketing communications. It answers one critical question for your target audience. Why should they care about us? Forget generic mission statements. This requires brutal honesty and deep market insight. Pinpoint the specific, often unarticulated problem you solve, and precisely for whom. This clarity is your competitive advantage in a crowded marketplace. It allows you to segment effectively and tailor your messaging with precision. Consider the designer who shifted from general graphic work to specializing in accessible websites for small charities. Instantly, her brand core became distinct and powerful. She wasn't just another designer. She became a specialist with a clear purpose, attracting the exact clients who valued her unique expertise. This strategic focus makes your marketing efforts far more efficient and impactful. Your audience doesn't primarily buy what your product does. They invest in what it does for them. As marketers, our task is to transcend technical specifications and tap into the emotional benefits and aspirations of our customers. You must move beyond your product's mechanics and into the heart of your customers' desires. What is the real, emotional job your customers are hiring your product to perform? This understanding transforms your messaging from informative to irresistible. It's about connecting with their pain points and offering a tangible emotional solution. Take the example of a productivity app. Their initial marketing message was, "Our AI-powered solution increases productivity by 27%. While factual, it lacked emotional resonance. After extensive market research and customer interviews, they pivoted their message. Their new, compelling message became, "Stop drowning in to-do lists. Finish your workday by 5 p.m., even on Mondays." See the profound difference? One presents data. The other offers a life raft of freedom and work-life balance. This shift from tool-centric to benefit-centric communication is crucial for driving engagement and conversions. In today's fragmented media landscape, people need multiple touchpoints before they develop trust and consider a purchase. Research suggests consumers require around 7 brand interactions before making a buying decision. This only works if every interaction feels cohesive and authentic. Your website, social media channels, email campaigns, and even customer service interactions must all emanate from the same unified brand identity. Your brand's voice, visual elements, and core messaging need to be so consistently applied that your audience would recognize you even without seeing your logo. This builds familiarity and reinforces trust. You don't need an exhaustive 100-page brand book to start. Begin with a concise, single-page guide. Define your 3 to 5 core brand values. Select 2 primary fonts and 3 consistent colors, and articulate a few key adjectives describing your brand's voice, perhaps bold, warm, and expert. Then rigorously apply these guidelines across every single marketing touchpoint. This systematic approach ensures your brand always presents a unified, trustworthy front. To recap this essential training, a crystal-clear brand core, a message that powerfully speaks to feelings, and radical consistency across all channels. This is the strategic framework for building a brand that effectively sells itself, amplifying all your marketing efforts. Now, for your immediate action step, comment below with the one word you want people to feel when they interact with your brand. Is it empowered, relieved, inspired, or something else entirely? Share your insight. If this training has provided valuable insights for your marketing strategy, please hit that like button and share it with your network. Let's collectively build brands that are not just seen, but truly felt and remembered.